Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. Today's video is going to be a very special one. I will be sharing how much profit did I made in 2022 by trading double candle spreads. I will be sharing not just the percentage profit but also the actual profit in dollars that I made. This will motivate you guys to learn this strategy and start doing paper trading. And once you have confidence, you can start with your real money and make some good returns. This strategy has given me some good returns in 2022, so I will be sharing with you guys how much profit I made. Also, at the end of the video, I will be doing the giveaway, which I started from the last video. So one lucky winner, those who commented in my on my last video and put the keyword session, so that one lucky winner will get chance to talk to me on one-to-one basis. So let's see and who is that lucky winner. So I will do that giveaway at the end of the video. So stick around till end of the video. Now, one more thing, those who are new to my channel, let me give you a little introduction. I trade double candle spread almost every week for consistent weekly income. My profit target is 10%. If you are also interested, do check out a playlist is there. You can see the link to that playlist on top of your screen. Also, it is in the description below. I have included couple of videos in that playlist. It will cover all the basics of this strategy. So if you have any further questions, you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter. The handle to my Instagram and Twitter is in the description below. So message me there. I will try to respond you as soon as possible. So now let's start the video. So this is my 2022 profit calendar. My win ratio is 80.77%. So I took a total of 26 trades, out of which 21 were in profit and 5 of them gave me losses. So let's get this example. So like all the green ones are the one where I made profits and all the red ones are the one where I made loss. So let's take an example of this one. So on January 13th, I entered this trade and I exited this trade on 19th of January with a profit of 11.08%. So this is one trade. Likewise, so all the green ones are the one which were profitable, and let's say this one, the red one. So 28th of January I entered this trade and I exited on 4th of February with a loss of 2.83%. So like that I have these are all my 20, how much were they, 26 trades I took. And the last trade which I exited was on 6th of December. After that also I entered one trade, but I'm still in that trade, so I'm not counting that trade for this year. I will count it in the next year. So my last trade for this year was 6th of December, where I made a 13.58% return. So on month to month basis also I'm making some good return. So this is the percentage wise. Now let's go to the dollar wise, how much profit did I made. So this is the one which I never shared with you guys on this channel. This is the first time I'm sharing with you guys. I was little hesitant, to be frank, to share my actual numbers, but then I thought this will motivate you guys. So as a New Year gift to you guys, I'm sharing the actual numbers also with you guys to give you little in perspective how much I'm trading. So the first row, like the let me go back to the previous Excel sheet. So this was one trade which I showed you. 13th of January I entered, 19th of January exited with 11.08%. So this is coming from this row number second. So I entered on 13th of January, exited 18th of January and 11.08%. So this one trade, this whole one green box is coming from this one row. So like for each box which you see here, profit or loss, every is coming from these rows. So one by one. The extra information here is in the actual dollar value. So in this I have hidden all the the actual numbers. I have just given you percentages, but I thought, okay, as a new year gift, I will give you the actual numbers also. So I've created this Excel sheet. So in this trade my actual investment was $10,000. I made a profit of 1,080 bucks, and I was in this trade for 5 days. So likewise you can see the investment for each trade. Till March, I was doing some $10,000 investment, somewhere like that, 10,000, 9,000, like that. Then I increased my investment to 15,000 ish. So you can see till June it was $15,000. Ignore this one. I'm not counting this. So here also, I have marked this as light green. This was a very small, just one calendar I bought, and this time I was not able to enter. I was busy. So ignore this one. So I'm not counting this in my win ratio also. So 26 is not, is besides this trade, so I'm not including this because I count only trades where I'm putting some big money. This $216, if it goes to zero or it doubles, I won't lose my patience. So but if this 15,000 starts going up and down to zero, then I will, my heartbeat will increase. So I count only these type of trades. Some people will show $200 became $400, they will show that, but in the journey it might have gone to $100, but they will feel fine. Like this $200 might have became to $100 and then it came back to $400, but that is not the real trade. Real trade is when my 15,000 goes down to 7,000, how I handle it, because that will give me blood pressure. My blood pressure will go high. So that's why I'm not counting this one. So I'm not counting this in win ratio and anyway, but for my documentation I'm putting all my profits which I'm, so that's why I include this one. Anyway, back to the topic. So from here till here I was putting 15,000 ish, investment. So likewise, and then from June onwards I increased it to 30,000. So you can see some of them like are 30,000. This one was 6,000 only. Actually the reason was within 4 days I saw 10% profit. And you guys know, if you have checked my previous videos, I go in installment, one by one. So in one installment only, if it goes 10%, then I could have bought one more time, and then, but then instead of losing, I already have lost 4 days in this trade. So instead of adding more at a higher price, what I do prefer is I entered into the next week trade and try to make money there, not keep extracting juice out of this trade itself. So that's why sometimes it is 6,000, but my goal was like roughly 30,000 in these trades. Okay, my last trade was the biggest trade. I invested $57,000. This is a very big money for me. This is like in my actual fidelity, where I do my actual investment, my long term investment. This is almost like my actual investment. So my actual investment there is 52,000. So you can imagine, like, my actual whole investment is $52,000 in invest fidelity, which is my like long term goal. And here I am doing that in just one go. So this is the confidence I get from double calendar spread. So my whole long term investment is in one trade here, and I made a profit of 13% from this trade, and profit was 7,000 bucks, which was a good money. So this is the total profit I made. $32,000 I made from $47,000 investment. So my balance on 1st of January 2022 was $47,000. Total profit came out to be 32,000, which is I have added all these things together. My average number of days in a trade is 8.85, which is like roughly 9 days. So I'm in a trade for roughly 9 days, which is like in a month I'm can be in a trade for 3 times, which if not 3 times, you can keep at least 2 times, because sometimes I'm not inside. So these white spaces are the days when I'm not in any trade. So on an average I'm in a trade, I do 2 trades in a month. So, and my whole ROI, return on investment, is 68%. So 68 percentage return is a very good return in a year when SPY was going like this, and I made a return of 68%. So I'm very happy with the strategy. It is not just that we went down, all 2022. There was small bull rallies as well. So here you can see this was a 18% bull rally. So we don't know. And just to give you little perspective, I lost a lot of money, hedging my long term. in Fidelity. So in my Fidelity, I have all my long-term stocks holdings. So I was buying just puts just to hedge over this downward move, and I lost a lot of money there. So I'm not a guy who is good in direction. So if you are also a person who is not into direction, who is not able to find out where stock market will go, if you want some undirectional and make some good returns, which is like this profit, this strategy gave me 68% return. So if you are such a person, then do learn this strategy. Okay, I will show you my Robinhood account just to be transparent. So this is my Robinhood account. I have refreshed it so that you know that this is not a fake. So 4th of January, you can see I have 3rd of January. 3rd of January is just, I think, the first trading day. Yeah. So 47,358. So here I have written the same number, 47,358. Total profit 32,000. So year to date. Okay, yeah. Year to date. And my last one is 6th of December. After that, 6th of December is here. After that also I'm in a trade which I haven't exited yet, but Robinhood is still showing that also here, because this is the unrealized profit or loss. So ignore this part. So we'll go to 6th of December. So this is 6th of December, and you can see my profit here. Okay, let me take back the cursor there. So if you check out there, so the profit is 32,660. Okay, so this number is coming here, 32,660. There's some $400 difference that is coming from here. Some $600 is like coming from here. So I have enrolled for this interest. So Robinhood has one feature: if you have any uninvested cash in your Robinhood account, you can get some interest out of it. So right now they are giving 4% return if you have Robinhood Gold. If you don't have Robinhood Gold, it will be smaller, like some smaller number. So better I go with 5%. Anyway, this is just side note. So take advantage of this thing if you have Robinhood. Free 4% return on your uninvested money. You can park for here. Anyway, so this is like how I made 68% return in 2022. I wanted to be transparent. That's why I shared this. Some YouTubers talk about strategies. They will tell you, okay, this is the strategy. This is the, they will give you the basic. They will show you the graphs, how they will perform. But I feel this is the actual thing which, motivates. This is the actual, when their actual money is involved, then, on day-to-day basis, like here. Okay, here I made 11%, but maybe 14th January, 5th, how it was performing on day-to-day basis. That is the actual thing. And I believe that is the way you will learn. If I will share just the number, okay, I made 68% return from calendars, you won't, you can't do the thing yourself. But once I share all the details, then you will learn, and then you can, try at your end. So I'm making one dedicated video for each of these trades. So I will highly encourage you guys, check out every trade and cross question. Okay, here SPY, how SPY moved drastically, here SPY was not moving at all, then how I was managing, how it was performing when the VIX was high, how it was performing when VIX was low. So cross question all everything, and then you will understand this strategy. You will get confidence to put good money. $57,000 is a very good money, big money for me. So I have invested $57,000 in this strategy. 34,000. These are big money for me, and I have invested this much money in this strategy. So I have confidence. So that's why I'm doing it. So I'll highly encourage you guys, start paper trading, and once you have confidence, you also start with real money and some make some good returns. So I'm very happy with strategy, 68% return in this volatile environment when SPY is moving anywhere. I don't know where it is going, and some 68% return ROI return in a year is very happy. I'm very happy with this strategy. Now let's do the giveaway. So in the last video which I posted, I asked you guys to uh, comment your question and with the keyword session. So, and I will pick one lucky winner who will get the chance to talk to me on one-to-one basis. We can discuss whatever questions you have. So let me pick that lucky winner. The keyword was session, so you have to, in your comments you have to include the keyword session. So only those who will put that will get picked. And let's see who is the lucky winner who will get the chance to talk to me. So let me start the raffle. So Khaldini A is the lucky winner. So hey, you can reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter. Message me there, and we will schedule a call. And I will give you a chance to talk to me on one to one. Whatever questions you have, or you have any feedbacks, you can talk to me. So I hope this will help you a lot. Also, if you also interested to in this giveaway, you can comment your questions or feedback or anything, whatever you prefer, down below. And also please include a keyword session in your comment. The case doesn't matter, you can put in lowercase, uppercase, whichever you prefer, but do include the keyword session and your question, feedback, whatever you prefer. And then in the next video I will again pick a lucky winner, and he or she will get the chance to talk to me on one-to-one basis. And congratulations once again, Khalidini. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Reach out to me on Twitter or Instagram, whichever you prefer, and we will schedule a session with you, okay, and answer your question. Okay, anyway, thanks once again. Now let me wrap up. I hope this help you guys to understand this strategy, and motivate you guys, not strategy. There are a lot of videos from me on YouTube for you to understand the strategy. This today's video is just to motivate you guys so that you start paper trading. This I was not I was feeling shy to share my numbers, but just to motivate you guys, to do actual benefit you guys, thought okay, I should share the real numbers, the actual dollar numbers as well, not just the percentages. I believe in transparency, and once you are transparent, I am not just giving you some theoretical number. These are my actual numbers which I traded when this $57,000 was going up or down, how I do every trade, that is the actual number. I believe in transparency. I'm not just giving some, I'm not becoming some YouTube guru and, just giving you some numbers, theoretical numbers, okay, to calendars and make this return. I'm giving you the actual numbers from my trading in the current environment of 2022. So this video, I hope you motivated you, and if it helped you, please like this video. If once you like or subscribe to my channel or comment, it gives me motivation to create more and more content for you guys. So wo- if you feel like this video was helpful for you guys, it was little out of my comfort zone, but still I did it. So if you it helped any help you guys, give you motivation or something, do like it, comment below, and also feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter. I'll try to respond you your all the messages on one-to-one basis. So take advantage of it, do your research. If you have still any questions, reach out to me. Will be very happy to help you guys to reach your financial freedom. Thank you. One disclaimer: all the information I share in this video and on this channel is for your information purpose only. Do your own research before doing any trades. See you in the next video. Goodbye.